Hey friends, who's hungry? Whether you're cooking for someone special or just treating yourself, Marry Me chicken pasta is a surefire way to bring smiles to the table. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil over high heat. Reduce the heat to medium, then add one 16-ounce box of fettuccine. Cook the fettuccine according to the package directions, then drain the pasta and set it aside. In the same pot, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil over medium heat. Cut 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces, then season the chicken generously with salt and ground black pepper. Add the chicken pieces to the hot oil. Don't overcrowd the pot. You may need to cook the chicken in batches. Sauté the chicken until it is browned on the outside and no longer pink in the middle, about 8 to 10 minutes. Set the chicken pieces aside. Return the pot to the heat. Melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic and cook for 1 minute. Sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of flour and stir to combine. Cook for 2 minutes, stirring frequently. Slowly whisk in 1½ cups of chicken stock and ½ cup of dry white wine. Bring the liquid to a simmer and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the liquid begins to thicken. Stir in 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning and ½ teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Reduce the heat to low, then add ½ cup of heavy cream, grated Parmesan cheese, and sun-dried tomatoes. Return the chicken to the pot along with the cooked pasta noodles. Stir until the chicken and pasta are coated with the sauce and everything is heated through. Garnish each plate of Marry Me chicken pasta with a sprinkling of fresh basil. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.